had this wild child. Let's go have a little fun, shall we? Yeah. She's happy. Yes, sir. Woo! Hello, I'm Mark Chalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars. Today, I'm sitting behind the wheel of our 1969 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. The idea behind this particular video is just quickly to go over the functioning instrumentation and controls and to do a quick driving video so you can hear and see this car perform. We have another video that we did, which is a lengthy video. It is a complete presentation of this vehicle, the story, history, options, features, etc., etc. So please make sure to watch that video. You can catch it on our website, msclassiccars.com, or visit our YouTube channel as well. Appreciate you watching. I'm going to go ahead and start up this car. See, it fires right up. It purrs like a kitten. This vehicle has been completely serviced by MS Classic Cars. Again, all of that information is within our description on our website at msclassiccars.com. So first things first, just to give you a quick overview of this car, you can see when I open the door that the dome light comes on, works beautifully. This is a spectacular restoration. It has less than 100 miles since completion. The windows in this car, you can see how easily I'm rolling up these windows, and they go all the way up into the seals. Again, they roll down absolutely beautifully. The directionals, you can see the directional working there. Directional working on this side over here. The speedometer obviously works beautifully. You can see the fuel gauge is working accurately. All of the heating system works. We went through all of that. The radio even works.
We're going to let them try it before you buy it. Free.
You can hear the radio there working beautifully. The headlights work. We have wipers that work beautifully as well on both speeds. You can see I stopped it and started it again. The horn, you can hear the horn work as well. I think that pretty much covers everything in the interior. This car does have seat belts in the front and seat belts in the rear. This is a really sweet car. It's got a lot of history. Obviously a DZ302 that's been built. It's a really strong motor, and it has a chambered exhaust, which sounds absolutely awesome. Although this car is a high quality build, it's something you can get in and you can drive. Prior to this video, I hadn't really done much with this car over the last 2, 3, 4 weeks. It fired right up. We've only been driving it for about 2 minutes prior to this video, and it honestly feels like you're driving a brand new car. Very, very tight. You can hear that exhaust. No rattles. Steers really tight. I'm barely on the gas right now. We're going about 40 miles an hour. This is a little bit of a residential area here, so I have to be a little bit careful. But this is a nice windy road. A lot of curves and bends. Right now I'm in third gear. I'll go ahead and I'll downshift it to second. See how nice that transmission downshifts. Expensive exhaust. It's a Gardner exhaust. They do concours exhaust work, very high-end work. You can see that in all of our pictures within our description. Again, I'll downshift to second gear here on the fly. The clutch is super easy to operate in this car. did a great job servicing this car. It's very dialed in. This engine will run on pump gas, but we've got race fuel in it right now. Race fuel is great for vehicles that are sitting, no ethanol, high octane. These high compression motors love high octane, but this vehicle will run on pump gas. Beautiful scenery out here. Horses, farms, cornfields. Just a great car. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around up here. Keep it a little slow. It really brakes well, follows the road well. Again, the steering is really tight. What I'll do is I'll just hug this corner here. I'll get on it one more time for you before we conclude the video. You can see I'm in first gear. Look at this car. Just, again, no rattles, no squeaks. It brakes really nice. Listen to that exhaust. Watching this video. Again, my name is Mark Scholero, MS Classic Cars. If you don't know who we are, please do some homework on our company. We're very proud of the things we've accomplished over the years. We specialize in first generation Camaros, so feel free to email me, call me, check us out on social media. We really appreciate you watching. Rock and roll, baby.